Monday Money Minutes with Jason Wiegand. I am a financial coach who enjoys helping people get a raise, solve real estate challenges, as well as to prevail over debt. If you fit into any of those categories, give me a call, hook me up with an email. I'm more than happy to help. On today's Monday Morning Minutes, I'd like to talk about how to use $100 or less to save money. Many people don't realize that with the inflation rate the way it is just as bad to keep your money under your mattress as it is to save in your bank account. For example, the inflation rate here is 5% and then growing, and that's where it's at right now. Meaning the power of your dollar spending is a lot less than it used to be. In fact, when you save in the bank account, you're only earning 0.6% of an interest. That's like less than a penny of $100. And so what I want to encourage you is to branch out, be risky. Let's invest in the stock market. I know that sounds a little bit risky, right? But did you know that one index fund, for example, has earned over 13% return in the last 10 years? That's with the recession going up and down. It is phenomenal. And that's just how it works. One of the simplest ways to engage with the stock market is to invest in a 401k plan through your employer. It might also be called a 457b, a 403b, or a thrift. Depending upon your profession, every major employer will offer one. And I would encourage you to talk to an investment professional there at your work to help you get set up with it. However, if you're not have those options available to you and you just want to invest in the stock market, then Robinhood couldn't get any easier. I would recommend going to Google, type in dividend aristocrats to see a list of companies who have paid a dividend over the last 25 years, and they've continued to increase their dividend every year. For example, McDonald's is one of those companies. My kids love going to McDonald's. I don't mind eating there myself. And so I have some of my money invested in McDonald's, where they pay me every quarter an interest rate, just like you would if I was to invest it in a bank account. So I put money in McDonald's. McDonald's pays me an interest rate of 2.15%, and then they annually increase that every year. It's a great way to invest in a company you love, that you enjoy working at or shopping at, and that way they can pay you to use their services. It's pretty nice. So Peter Lynch actually recommends this. You are more apt to know about a business and its success than any wolf on Wall Street because you utilize those services. So if you enjoy Apple, you enjoy McDonald's, you enjoy Coca-Cola, any product that you use on a regular basis, feel free to just throw some money at that. Now, if that sounds a bit too risky, another way to go about it, if you just want to invest in a basket of funds, one of my favorite funds is known as the Vanguard Dividend Account. Its ticker is V as in Victor, I as in Igloo, G as in Google. And it's a pretty simple way to go. It's got a low expense ratio. It pays about 1.5% in interest, but it is a pretty simple way. And one of the benefits of investing in a stock that not only pays you dividends is that it also appreciates in value over time. So you get to take advantage of both the growth of a stock and its savings potential. Now, if you fear investing in the stock market, I want to encourage you that anytime we do have dips in the market, it's the best time to buy if you have cash lying around. But on top of that, those dips generally only last 6 to 18 months. So recessions aren't like the Great Depression from long ago. Just want to encourage you all again that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I encourage you to seek an investment professional to ask for particular investment related questions. I'm also a financial coach, again, who likes to help people look at their budget, see how you can save some money, to get some money left over at the end of the month so you can make that money, make more money. This post is inspired by a news article I saw in the Motley Fool called "Is $100 Enough to Start Investing?" I encourage you to take a look at it. Have a great day.